So why pumpkin and why green beans? Placed some of the dog food with vegetables, and it turns out they really love it. So I thought, can it dumpling? What else can I use to spruce it up? But the dogs don't need anything else to spruce it up. They go crazy over it. When I turn on the can opener, they come a-running. Watch this. I've got a can of pumpkin. It's unsweetened. I've got a can of green beans. Sodium, 300 milligrams of sodium. Are you supposed to drink the water or just drain it and eat the green beans? Step one. Oh, he loves it. There we go. That is one sad dumpling. It looks like an overflowing diaper. This shape, you know, it's a triangle with the cargo right in here. For this one, I used 2 wonton wrappers, and I stuffed it with the stuffing and wrapped the edges around. So this one looks like a purse.
And this one looks like a soup case.
A suitcase. A soup case?
A soup case with real tomato soup coming out.
Yeah, I call that one the pocketbook.
I want to call it the envelope because it looks like an envelope.
I call this one the rooster because it kind of looks like a rooster standing there, doesn't it? Or a teapot.
This is called the flat pot dumpling. Flat, flat.
Throw my dumplings in the air sometimes, saying, ayo.
Help me clean up tonight, though, guys. White here. Because I'm mow down the fire. Let it cook longer.
I throw my dumpling in the air sometimes, saying, ayo. Oh, it's hot. Okay, trying it again. It looks like a dumpling or a large ravioli. I don't think so. Bland, unsalted pumpkin with a hint of green bean. I wouldn't order this, but a person who's used to Asian desserts might say that this is sweet.
This is plain.
Kind of plain?
Yeah, cheesy but plain. Cheesy but plain.
Cheesy but plain.
Yeah, a little bitter, but at least it's still good.
Huh. Okay, thank you. Yeah, they're all the same.
Yeah.
Close.
Pumpkins?
Yeah. And?
Peas?
You're so close. It's in the pea family.
String beans.
These are, are they all
Same
different?
thing.
Are they all different?
No, they're all the
I
same.
feel like it tastes a little cinnamon or something.
You like it?
Yeah, pumpkin, green bean. What's the third? There's a seasoning, but
Yeah. I thought it was cinnamon, but it's not.
It's not cinnamon.
I don't know.
It's pumpkin and green bean.
There's no seasoning at all.
No, there's a lot of salt from the green beans. That's what the dogs eat.
Yep.
They love it. It's a doggy dumpling.
What's in it?
It's a mystery. Yeah, you got the big one.